welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing another Louis Vuitton unboxing, and this was actually another one of the pieces that I had picked up when my husband and I were over in Europe, and for some reason the footage when I was editing this video originally, it was completely out of focus, and so it has taken me a little bit of time to refilm all of this, but I wanted to upload this just because I really enjoy watching unboxing videos. And shortly after this, in the near future, I am also going to be doing an overall haul of everything that I purchased while I was over in Europe, just so that way I can share with you all of the fun and exciting things that are available over there that are not available here, as well as uploading soon the vlog that we filmed while we were over there. But with that being said, let's get started with the unboxing of this Louis Vuitton piece. So I loved shopping for Louis Vuitton when I was over there, as you could probably tell from some of my other unboxing videos, because it is so much cheaper over there compared to here. So I'm going to show you what I got, and this is actually my first official Monogram piece that is brand new from the store. So I am really excited for this piece, and let's get right into it. Let me get this opened up here, and then inside obviously we have the dust bag. We'll just toss that box down there, and the piece that I got is the Alma BB, and oh, there we go. And I actually got the little clochette hot stamped with an A, and I got it with the reddish, or the kind of like a dark brown color, to match the glazing on the side here, because I didn't want to do the gold just because I knew that I was going to get gold for some of my Damier Ebene pieces, and I didn't want to do pink or anything because I wanted this to be a nice neutral all the time year-round bag. So I went ahead and got the A in that, but I am really excited that I did get that hot stamped, because that way I can still have a little bit of personalization. But if I ever need to resell the bag, hopefully I never will, but I can easily do that without having the actual bag compromised. So let me show you, kind of give you the tour. So isn't she so cute? I really love this bag because it is so small, yet it holds a ton. So on the bottom here, you can actually see the size of how much it holds. There are the 4 feet to kind of protect the bottom, since that is an all vachetta bottom. That can get pretty scary. So I'm definitely going to be treating this with some water repellent just to make sure that nothing happens to it, because this bag does have a lot of vachetta. Now there is another popular bag, which is, well, it's the same bag, but it's in the Damier Ebene, and I was kind of going back and forth on which one I wanted. I loved the contrast with the vachetta and the monogram, and I already have 2 other Damier Ebene bags, so I wanted something a little bit different. And sometimes I think the monogram can be a little loud, even though I have it in a keepo, which is like one of the biggest items you can get. I think with travel bags, that's okay because it is what it is. But with an everyday handbag, I wanted it to be a little bit more subtle. So that's why I went with a smaller bag for the monogram. So I got the BB, the Alma BB in the monogram as opposed to the Damier Ebene, just because it's a little bit more unique, and I just love that contrast. So what this little guy comes with, let me get out the strap here. It comes with an all vachetta strap, and there are these little hooks that you can hook it on, kind of built right into the straps. Now I know that the Alma PM also allows you to attach a strap, but I don't think it automatically comes with one. And then you also have the regular Alma, or the larger one, that doesn't have a strap at all. And I love the look of top handle bags. I think they are so classy, but for me and my lifestyle, they are just not practical, because I've had a top handle bag before and it just weighs down on my arm, and I like to be able to move, especially when I'm out shopping. I need my space. I need my movement. I need to have my hands free. So that's why I love the fact that it has that option for a strap. But if I do want to take the strap off and have a classier evening bag, I could do that. So inside we have the little lock in the key bag, and it is just a big open compartment, and then there's one small slip pocket here. I don't think the slip pocket doesn't look like it's large enough for like a cell phone or anything, but you could probably definitely put like a card holder or something in there. But it's a pretty small bag. It's not going to be bulky or anything, but it will hold a lot because that base is pretty good size. So it's definitely going to hold my everyday essentials, as well as a few other items. I could probably even fit like a vlogging camera in there along with all of my other items, no problem. And the way that the zipper and everything is, I could probably just zip it up like partially if needed, and it would still be pretty secure. So I don't think I would go through a crowd with it unzipped, but that would definitely hold everything that I needed to. And then another aspect of this piece that makes it really versatile is because it does have the 2 zippers, you just flip that over and then you can lock that right up. So what comes in the bag is the little lock. If I can get this out here. There we go. So have the little lock, you can lock this up, so if you are going through a large crowd, you can be pretty sure that nothing is going to get stolen or taken from it. And what a lot of people don't realize is the clochette here, that is where the keys are. And this just slides right up like that, and that is where the keys are. So even though this little tag is super cute, it also has a function. So you just store the keys right there, right on it, so you're never gonna lose those. And it's in a cute little pouch that can be personalized. And what else I really love about this bag, along with all of the vachetta, is all of the gold detailing. So you have the gold zipper, you have the gold on these hooks, you have all of these little details of gold, the gold rivets all over it. So it just brings all of these different accent pieces together and just makes it into a really stunning bag that's kind of bold but subtle at the same time, and it really pops. And the price point of this bag is actually fairly low in the grand scheme of things. I don't remember what the new updated pricing is, so I will link this bag down below. But if you are looking for a nice starter bag from Louis Vuitton, if you want a full-size bag but still a lower price point, definitely check this one out, because this one is really fancy, super structured, versatile, everything that you need, and it's much more affordable than some of the other options. Well, I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and I am super excited to try out my new bag, and I just love everything about it. The contrast, the coloring, the versatility. If you are interested in seeing any more unboxing videos or Louis Vuitton items or luxury items in general, definitely give me a thumbs up. If you like this bag or you have any comments or anything on it, let me know in the section down below. And if you have not already done so, be sure to hit that subscribe button just so that way you are notified every time I make a new video, which is at least 2 times a week. And until next time, thanks for stopping by.